Hello, boys and girls. As we've been following along in our math book this week, we have been working on subtraction. That is where we start with many and end up with few. So if you turn to page 75 in your workbook, you will first see some lions in the very first frame, right up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lions and 1, 2, 3 lionesses. How do we know that these are lionesses and not lions? Because the male lion always has the big mane around his head. So we have 1, 2, 3 lionesses. That's a fun word. And I'm going to write the number 3 right there in the box. Then I'm going to come down below and I have a group of ducks. I have some ducks with green heads and ducks with brown heads. These are mallard ducks, and this duck here with the green head, that is the male duck. And the duck that is all brown, that is the female duck. And you will know, or perhaps you have seen, many of these ducks all around our city because they've come back. It's been a long winter and they're ready to have some baby ducklings. Now, how many male ducks, that's the duck with the green head, do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like it says right here. And how many female ducks do we have? 1, 2. And I am going to write the number 2 in the box. And then finally we have some farm animals. We have roosters, we have hens. In other words, we have chickens. The roosters are the male ducks, and we know these are the roosters because of their red deal on top. And I apologize, I forget what that was called, and their fluffy tail feathers. And then we know that this is the female chicken because she looks very different from the male. So how many roosters did we have? 1, 2. And how many chickens did we have? Or how many hens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So boys and girls, from here, I'm going to go back and create some addition and subtraction problems. In our first picture, we had 4 lions and 1, 2, 3 lionesses. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all together we have 7 because I added the 4 lions to the 3 lionesses, and that gave me a total of 7. Now I know that there are 7 lions here. What would I have left if I take the 3 lionesses away? So I have 7 lions minus 3 lionesses. How many do I have left? If I cover up these 3 and just count what's over here, that'll be my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can look at this a different way. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take 3 away. I'm going to cover up those 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. Now let's come down to the ducks. How many ducks do I have? I have 5 male ducks. I'm going to write that right down here. I have 2 female ducks. And if I want to know how many ducks I have all together, I need to add them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ducks all together. Now what if I did just like I did in my first picture? I want to subtract. If I take my total number of ducks, and this time let's take away the 5 male ducks. I'm going to take away 5. What do I have left? So I'm going to cover up 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? 1, 2. And then finally, with my chickens, I have a total of 1, 2 roosters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hens. If I wanted to create an addition problem, I could write 2 roosters plus 5 hens gives me a total of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. But now, just like I did in my other pictures, I'm going to create, or I'm going to write, a subtraction equation. So I have to start with my total, which was 7. And this time I'm going to take away 3. Now I'll take away 2. Keep with the numbers that we were using. So I'm going to take 2 of them away. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 take away 2 equals 5. All right, we're ready to turn our page.